Hello everyone, welcome to our today's lesson which is our solar system where we live, and this is part 1. Before knowing anything about solar system, we should know what solar system consists of. So here comes the first point. Our solar system consists of the sun, the 8 planets and their satellites, which are moon, and thousands of other smaller heavenly bodies such as asteroids, comets and meteors. The sun is at the center of the solar system and all these bodies are revolving around it. Planets revolve around the sun in an elliptical orbit. Elliptical means an elongated circle. In the solar system, the planet nearest to the sun is Mercury and the planet furthest from the sun is Neptune and not the Pluto. The sun is also the source of all the energy in the solar system. Pluto is a dwarf planet. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are called the terrestrial planets, or you can even say the rocky planets, and Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are called the gaseous planet, or you can say the Jovian planets. Now students, you must be wondering how does it look like? So here comes the picture. As you can see, here comes the sun, which is the source of energy. The first planet is Mercury, second is Venus, third is Earth, fourth is Mars, fifth is Jupiter, sixth is Saturn, seventh is Uranus, eighth is Neptune, and Pluto is the dwarf planet. So let's see the members of the solar system. Just like our family, there are so many members. Our solar system have also many members. First is the sun. The sun is at the center of the solar system. Its size is 13 lakh times as that of the earth. It is the nearest star to the earth because the sun is also a star. So according to that, we consider sun as the nearest star to the earth. It is an ultimate source of energy for life on earth because without sun there can't be life on earth. Its diameter is 14 lakh kilometers. It is composed of 71% hydrogen, 26.5% helium and 2.5% other elements. Hydrogen and helium are the two main gases present in the sun. It has a surface temperature of 5778 Kelvin or 5504.85 degrees Celsius. The temperature at the center is around 15 million degrees Celsius. Shining surface of the sun is called photosphere. The outer layer of the sun's atmosphere made up of thin hot gases called corona. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Light takes about 8.5 minutes to reach the earth from the sun. Now children, before looking at the planets, we should understand what planets are, right? So, planets are the opaque bodies which continuously revolve around and are lightened by the sun. There are 8 planets in the solar system. The sequence of planets according to their distance from the sun is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Jupiter is the biggest and Mercury is the smallest of our solar system. Planets are the largest objects in the solar system after the Sun. The 8 planets have been divided into 2 groups, terrestrial planets and gaseous planets. Or you can say the rocky planets and Jovian planets. The 4 planets nearest to the Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are called the terrestrial planets because their structure are similar to the Earth. Other four planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, are called the gaseous or the Jovian planets. So here comes the Mercury. So Mercury is the closest and the smallest planet to the Sun. It is extremely hot planet. The planet has no water on it. Mercury planet has no gases like carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen and oxygen, which can act as building blocks of life, because without these important gases we can't imagine life. Mercury planet has no protective blanket like ozone layer around it to prevent us from the harmful radiations. As we know, the earth has a ozone layer which protects us from the harmful UV rays of the sun, but the planet Mercury doesn't have that. A year in Mercury is just 88 days long, because in earth the year is of 365 days, but in Mercury it is of 88 days. Then a day on the surface of Mercury lasts 176 Earth days. Okay, now comes the Venus. Venus is the second planet in distance from the Sun. This planet is nearest to the Earth and is also the brightest planet of our solar system. Venus is known as the evening star as well as the morning star, because children, you can see the Venus in the evening and also in the morning as a star. Then Venus is surrounded by a thick cloud cover, hence known as the wild planet. Wild means the unclear cover. Venus is like the Earth in the size and mass, and hence also known as the Earth's twin. It also rotates clockwise like the planet Uranus. Venus is the hottest planet due to its wheel of cloud. Venus has no water on it. There is no sufficient oxygen on the Venus. And before moving forward, let me tell you, we consider Venus as the hottest planet. But you must be thinking that if Mercury is closest to the Earth, then how the Venus is the hottest? It is due to the wheel of cloud which is present in the Venus and makes it the hottest planet of our solar system. Here comes our Earth where we live. So, Earth is the fifth largest planet of the solar system. It has a diameter of 6.371 kilometers. It takes 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4.091 seconds to rotate on its axis. It takes 365 days and 5 hours and 48 minutes to revolve around the sun. Earth is known as the watery planet or the blue planet due to the presence of huge amount of water on the planet Earth. If you go in this space, you see the Earth as a blue planet because of the large area of water bodies present on the Earth. Then the Earth is the only planet which provides sustenance or life on it. It has a large quantity of oxygen which supports life on it. As we know, Earth have all the important elements by which the life is possible on Earth. Then Earth has only one satellite, which is the Moon. But it also has a couple of temporal artificial satellites which are launched from the Earth. So before moving to the fourth planet, we should understand something about the moon as well. So the moon is the only satellite of the earth. It is the fifth largest moon in the solar system. The average distance from the moon to the earth is 3,84,403 kilometers. The moon orbits the earth every 27.3 days. Moon's Huygens is the tallest mountain on the moon. It is 4,700 meters tall. The moon is very hot during the day but very cold at night. The first person to set foot on the moon was Neil Armstrong. And the last planet of part 1 is Mars. So here comes the first point. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and second smallest planet. Mars is also called as red planet because of its iron-rich red soil and pink sky. Even in this picture, you can see that it reflects the red color. The atmosphere on Mars is thin, mostly comprised of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and argon gases. The average temperature on Mars is minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 60 degrees Celsius. Mars is around 2 times smaller than the Earth. Mars has two natural satellites which are moons. The names are Phobos and Deimos. Mars is 227.9 kilometers or 141.6 million miles away from the Sun. Light from the Sun reaches Mars in about 13 minutes. So student, we are completed with the part 1. To see the other 4 planets, please visit my video and see the remaining part. Thank you very much. I hope you like this chapter, and if you like, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.